my fellow ninjas, Greenninjatale here, and today we're reacting to SMG4 Mario Screws in a Light Bulb by SMG4. Now, I have not seen this yet, and it's Mario. Anything can go wrong with screwing in a light bulb. Heck, if Mario sets up a table, anything can go wrong with that. But yeah, anyways guys, hope you guys like this video. The original link is in the description below. Make sure you go subscribe to SMG4. Without further ado, let's begin.
So nice.
Alright, let's do it. Oh. Great. Damn. Alright, we get it, you won. How? How are you gonna fix it? Oh.
No, I'll fix it.
I like his little facial expressions on the SMG4 model. That it looks pretty cool. I kinda like this model. I'm trying to get used to it, but I like it.
I did it. Well, thank God I have a spare.
He breaks it.
What the SMG4 doing?
Ooh.
Just hold this totem. We can all go home.
Oh.
Mario, we all know things are gonna end up on fire if you do anything.
Yeah,
Please
exactly.
useless.
SMG4's right.
Mamma mia. So long, Toad.
Oh.
Oh, keep it still, Toad.
Hey, Stinky.
So this is how I die.
Oh. Yeah. Say your final prayers, SMG4, because that's probably how you die from Mario. What?
Don't mean.
What meme?
Don't mean.
My name is
Cleveland.
Brown.
Oh.
My name is Cleveland Brown.
Oh, goddammit, hold it still.
Brown. My name is
See,
Okie dokie.
see, I knew something would go wrong if if you let Mario help.
Easy for me. Oh, you got Mario thinking now?
Oh. So this is what is inside Mario's mind. I don't know why he ascended. Okay.
Oi, Mario, hold it still.
Oh.
You little
Oh. Rip. Oh. Uh-oh. Oh. Dear God.
All done.
Well, that was the only ladder we had.
Oh, you got
You
Mario
only have
thinking
one
now?
ladder? Okay. Oh. Wow. Okay, wing cap. Wow.
I'm in danger.
Shoot it down.
Spider pig, spider pig.
See, this is why you cannot trust Mario with anything. He will. He's not capable of doing anything. Like. Oh. Peach. Toad, don't you dare.
I gotta do it, man.
Don't do it, Toad. Oh. He did it. Oh my god. What is that face? Oh, she's pissed.
Time to die. Hey, what the hell is wrong with you? It's no use, Mario. Doesn't look like we can fix the light bulb.
Oh, mamma mia.
What? Oh, okay, they just broke the fourth wall now. Oh, wow.
What are you doing? What's going on here?
Wow, I didn't expect this. They just break the fourth wall now?
Eto, sono lavato, l'abito.
Mario, screw the damn light bulb in!
That, okay. I wasn't expecting this. Come on, Mario. Please screw in the light bulb. Come on. Wait, what? Are you serious? It doesn't fit.
What? What do you mean it's not working?
Eto, sono lavato, l'abito.
Just force it in!
Just force it in.
Okidoki.
Oh.
I did it! Haha, let there be light!
They broke the whole power to the universe, or the, oh my goodness. Wow.
Oh, poop.
Good evening.
Oh.
Wow, I hate that.
Aww.
Whoa! Can't touch me. Can't touch me.
Just slaps him. Oh.
Better scramble like an egg before you get folded like an omelet.
Oh. Damn.
We do a little trolling. It's called we do a little trolling.
Oh, is that Is this Luigi? Is it Luigi? Yo, Luigi came in clutch. Let's go.
No, not really.
Luigi, we're so happy to see you. We just wanted to replace a light bulb, and now the power's out.
Go, Luigi. O maratuturo so reparo.
The giant super light bulb. It was in the basement. Its light will come back on.
Wow, it's pretty convenient you had this on you then, huh?
Yeah, it's pretty convenient.
New Super Luigi Mansion full.
New Super Luigi. Oh.
Looks like it's up to us then.
Yeah, you're not gonna save Luigi, I guess, but okay.
I bet.
Get that mother.
Oh. Maximum suck. Ooh.
Oh yeah.
Oh, King Boo.
You want enlargement pills?
I forgot to say, this new SMG4 4 model, I kind of like the design of it. It's pretty unique. Anyways. Oh.
Yeah,
Oh, okay.
What do I do? What do I do?
Oh.
Oh, okay.
Well, that was easy.
Defeated now, bitch!
What?
I'm about to whip somebody's ass.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Get in my belly!
Ooh, little animation there.
That's right. Take that, losers.
Is anything supposed to happen?
Eccolo tutto, sembrate.
Yeah.
This was meant to work. Come on, you stupid pieces.
And you broke it. Yep. You're screwed.
Stand back. I'm warning ya.
Error. Cannot suit.
Battery empty?
Oh, mamma mia, tutto raggravato.
Oh. Yeah, I don't think they want to be friends. Oh, Toad?
La la la. La la la.
Mario, I told you already. Toad won't work.
Shh. Why? I swear, if he actually works. What? Huh? Okay. Rip Toad.
I did it. I saved the world. Well, that was a load of shit.
Yeah. I didn't think Toad could do that. Wow. Anyways, guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Yep, I knew something bad would happen if Mario tried to screw it in a light bulb. It's just like the time he went to go out and get milk. He went to go out and get milk. Something outrageous happened. And just like this video, the same thing happened when he tried to screw in a light bulb. And I knew it was coming. But yeah, this video was pretty funny. I did like it. But yeah, anyways guys, hope you guys liked this video. If you did, leave a like, comment down below what video you guys want me to react to next. Subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you ninjas later. Peace out, guys.